שלום עליכם וברוכים בואכם ללקחי שפת העברים. שלום לכולכם. בטרם החלנו את הלקח, אנוכי חפץ לברכו. ברוך אתה אבינו אלוהינו אדוננו אלוהי אבותינו, אלוהי אברהם, אלוהי יצחק ואלוהי יעקב. לך כל הכבוד והחוד. אנו פתחנה את ליבנו לקבל ולהשכיל בחוכמתך, בדעתך ובתבונתך, בשם ישוע, אמן. So welcome again to Hebrew Foundations. These are basic Hebrew words in conversational Hebrew. So today we'll be speaking about the, or the definite article hey. Now there are rules that govern the hey, or the definite article the in Hebrew. There are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The first and most important rule would be the hey receives a pathah usually, and following it, the consonant or letter will receive a dagesh in its bosom, which means it's doubled the sound. So this is not habered, but habered. And just to show you how that is in English, this is how it will sound. Habered. And not like in modern Hebrew, where this is habeged. Okay, so let's get rid of that. So this is the first and most important rule. However, to the contrary, if you have the hey and it precedes the aleph, the hey, the ayin, or the resh, then the hey would take a kamis. And notice there is no dagesh because a guttural cannot be doubled. So this cannot be ha of, but ha of. Let's go back to the first. The beged means covering. Habeged means the covering or the article of clothing. Okay, ha'av means the father. Hahod means the glory. Ha'ir means the city. Hara means the bad or wicked. Third rule, if the hey precedes a hatif qamis or a hith, the hey would receive a sagul. So this is he horavoth, and this is he hochom. He horavoth is the desolations, and he hochom is the wise. Fourth rule, If you have the hey and it precedes an unaccented hey or an unaccented ayin, it will also receive a sagol. So the accent must not be on the hey or the ayin. It must be on the following syllable. So this is hehorim. Notice how the accent is on the resh. And this is he'anon. And notice how the accent is on the nun. Hehorim, the mountains, hills, just put the here. So the mountains, the hills, the hillside, or the hill country. Okay. And then he'onon is the cloud. There are other ways to say cloud in Hebrew, but this is the most used noun. The fifth and final rule would be that if you have the hey and it precedes the ayin or hey or ayin, and it is accented, then the hey will receive a kamis. So the accent, since it's monosyllabic and it cannot, there are no more syllables, this is where the accent lies. So ha'am, ha'ar. Ha'am means the people or the nation. Okay. There are a few other meanings, but these two we'll stick to for simplicity's sake. Hahar, the mountain. Let's see if anything else I've left out. So if you see a haith also, it does not double because that too is a guttural. So this cannot be he horavoth, but he horavoth. Just say it normally. There is no indefinite article in Hebrew, so one cannot say a father with a particular word. There's no particular word for that indefinite article. But one says father, and it represents a glory, and it represents a glory. Ir, which is city, and it represents a city. So here we have of. Next we have avoth. Hod, ir, orin, horba, horavoth, onon, anonim, har, horin, on. we'll do the adjectives last. So to make this, first, this is father or a father, right? This is glory. There's no glories. This is city. Cities. Desolation. Desolations. Cloud. Clouds. And let's do this here. Mountain. Hill. Hillside. Hill country. And this would be the plural form of that. Horim. Which is, let's do people. Let's erase that. Nation. And again, there's a few other, but for simplicity's sake, let's do that. Now that's that. For the, so this will be of, avos, ahod, העיר, האורין, החורבה, ההורבות. Let's do this one over. He, o, non, ha, a, no, nim, and hor, he, horin, hoon. Notice how this is har, and then it becomes hor, and then hehorim. Okay, so this follows, so these here follow the rules. Now for the adjectives. The adjectives, you have hachom, hachomo, hachomin, hachomoth, hehochom, hachomo, החכמים, and החכמות. So if you remember our rules, these all will make sense. חכם, חכמה, חכמים, חכמות. החכם, החכמה, החכמים, החכמות. Now we know that this is wise. And the wise. Those there, those there. Please remember these words. They are part of the vocabulary, and with every video, it shall progress, and I will continue to review the past vocabulary words. So they'll be implemented with the new vocabulary words. Here we have more vocabulary words. Beged, gur, delef, kether, penino, taish. Notice how they all start with a dalish. Okay. Next, let's define these. This is covering, whelp, or young animal, door, crown, pearl, male goat. Next, with the he, so habeged, hagur, hadelef, hakefer, hapenino, hataish. Here are the vocabulary words that we learned in the first video. Somenora, ner, she, et, sefer. This becomes hammenora, hanner, hashe, ha'et, hasefer. plural form, המנורות, הנרות, השה, העטים, הספרים. And for the adjectives, we have hatov, hatova, hatovim, hatovot, hara, hara'a, hara'im, and hara'ot. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And remember, when you subscribe, click on all so you can be notified when there is a new video posted. תודה על ראותכם. Thanks for watching.